Hello, I'm Dr. Moosa from Excel Laser Vision Institute, and for the last 25 years, I've focused my career on correcting patients' eyes with laser vision systems that I've actually had the wonderful experience of seeing that transform over the many years. But one of the things I'm most proud about is what the experience has done for me as a surgeon. I am someone who's astutely aware of the fact that over the many years of being able to do this procedure, of how nuanced you get at understanding a patient's level of comfort during the procedure. We're at a point now where we can predict our patient's next movement. Besides all the fanciness of our laser systems, where as the surgeon, I know where the patient is going to go next and how they're going to respond next, to give them the most comfortable experience one can have with laser vision correction. I'm so excited because this is a field I'm passionate about. I've been fortunate enough to do the surgery on my own dad, my son, his wife, every family member, family friend that I know that's needed the surgery done, I've done their surgery. It's been such a tremendous, humbling opportunity for me to be able to perform these surgeries for my close family members and friends and my patients, that every day I go in with the same amount of passion that I did 25 years ago when I began doing this laser vision correction surgeries for my patients. So I'm excited, and I'm always excited about the possibility of improving your vision. And if you're as excited, I look forward to seeing you at our clinic one day soon. Thank you.